So I just got this. It's the headphone stand. It came with a gift. As you can see, this paper shows a gift and then a phone with a little stand, which is this. It's a little bit hard to move around, but it's a gift, so it's free. And here's the sticky side. You just rip this off. I'm not going to use it now. Okay, so here's the stuff that came in here. Here's the base. As you can see, it has this part so it doesn't slide all around. It's a little bit heavy too, which is good if you want a headphone stand. I also got this cleaner in there, I guess, and I got this. They're actually made of aluminum on both, as you can hear. Which is really good. And then here is what you actually put the headphones on top. So I'm just gonna put this together. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this on. There you go. And then here's my headphones. Looks good. And then I guess this is just to clean it around. And then the top part, it's a bit flexible. It's not hard. I guess if you have bigger headphones or heavier headphones, so it doesn't actually ruin the inside of your headphones, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys.
Hello, I bought this stand for my 3D headphones for my PlayStation, and this works amazing. Very sturdy, as you can see. It's made of aluminum. It's great, works incredible. Yeah, and it also is very looks very elegant in your desk. So far so good. I love it.